Welcome YTPC, Edwin here from Central Texas. Sunday, I'm hoping you're having a good weekend. Some coffee right here. Black coffee, nothing else. It's hot. Very nice. Steaming right there. And today, smoking my Oceano Savinelli 320 KS. Beautiful pipe. One of my newer ones. I do have another one I need to show you guys, but definitely this is one of the new ones. Cloudy, but it's good. And in it, you know, yes, GOP's Windjammer that I had it for the first time ever this past week, brothers. I'm really enjoying it. And I have a bunch of Zippos here that I was like, you know what, let me show the guys some of the latest Zippos. That I got. So let's do that. Now, today, using this one, the Cornell and Deal. Very cool. The tobacco plant right there. And it says estimated 1992. I don't know, I got this in 2022 with that nice brush finish. And in it I had that butane insert with the soft flame. Okay? This is what I'm using today. In terms of pipes, or pipe theme Zippos, I have two more, I think. I have this one, black finish, very cool. Have a pipe insert on it. And I was going to say that I was going to show you the brand new ones I got, but let's go through some of my favorites right here. Another pipe one, that is the one with that little pipe on the corner. Again, just the brush finish, love it. This is what, 2021. And this one, 2021 as well. Very cool. But the Cornell and Deal is the one I've been carrying lately. Man, this stuff is good. GOP's Windjammer, brothers. This might be a little bit of a longer video than normal. Love this guy. Still brand new, I will say. I haven't really carried it from 2021. That tattoo style eagle, you know, Americana tattoo style eagle, man. Love it. Right there. Man, love it with that gold tones. And this is still brand new. Haven't used it, but man, love the colors. I should have grabbed two. Of course, you need to have your classic, nothing, you know, plain satin. This one is my cigar one. The flame, you won't see it, but it's there. That, by the way, I should make a video on this. The torch was not working. And I went ahead and removed this. You will see videos about this on YouTube. Remove this. They have like a little ring that will stop that lever right there, that you cannot move it too much. Just remove that and dude, you're back to business. There will be actually an old ring that is like a, you know, that you need to keep, but then there's like a little steel ring right there that you can remove. That is the one that is actually stopping that minus and plus length of that flame. Just remove that and back to business. Okay, I can make this go as high as I want. So that one is my cigar one, and of course I was going to say a plain black. Now, one of the ones I really like, right, is the woodchuck American flag, USA flag. Really, really cool. And I have used it. Usually I have a cigar insert on this one. Love it as well. Very, very nice. Let's see where I have. Yeah, I have some other ones, but let me show you new ones. I could not resist. I could not resist. Still new. I haven't removed this. St. Patrick's Day, they make a release of this pattern, and it's a glow in the dark Zippo, and I could not resist, so I got this, brothers. Very cool. And man, it glows really cool as well. You know, I should put, man, you know, I'll show in some other video on it. Very cool. And this is my latest purchase. Okay, so on St. Patrick's, this is what I will have with me. And this one's another, I love bronze, and this is the rustic bronze Zippo version. Again, this one is still in the box. Why you have so many Zippos? I don't know, brothers. I don't know. And this is not everything. It's just some of the ones that I grab, and then I grab this one, the lady Zippo, windy design. Love the classic windy design. Well, this is not the classic one, but you know, the lady lighting a cigar or a cigarette. Very cool. And guys, you know, other than that, those are some of the Zippos. If you ask me, this one, I definitely love it. Oh, and there's one more, but I don't know where I put it. It might be in my office. The old Ironside. I should look for that one as well. There's some others here, you know, you've seen this one, the Caribbean. I'm from the Caribbean originally. I'm in Texas, but you know, I'm from Puerto Rico, and the island of Puerto Rico is in this little pirate theme map right there. Pirate of the Caribbeans. So very, very cool. Guys, other than that, hey, I will continue enjoying this tasty, very nice Windjammer. Again, Virginias, Burleys, a little bit of rum. Very cool. And for those pipe inserts, the butane, make sure that you always get a good quality butane fuel, okay? Now you're going to mess up the whole insert. So make sure, that's one of the things I learned quick with style, you know, with that style of torch style of Zippos or of lighters. Make sure you have, it doesn't need to be this brand, but make sure you get a premium quality butane. Don't go cheap on that. So guys, I will continue enjoying my pipe right here with this Windjammer. I'm hoping you have a great rest of your Sunday. Keep those pipe lids, and hey, I'll see you in the next video. Edwin out.